Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ismara Madani. You call me Rizky. My NPM 2410-6311-70047. I was born in Pamalang, but currently live in Karawang. I live Perum, Citra Kabunmas, Block A3 North D. I am 8 years old. I was born in Pamalang on October 2025. I am a student at Singapore Bangsa Karawang University. My favorite subject at school is mathematics. My hobby are playing badminton and games. And ambition is to become a programmer. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. I look forward to connecting with you. Bye bye.